Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve Hindustan Times newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 8, 2023, 5-star Sudoku. Second row, third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 can from here. Column H, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 6th grid, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then 6th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4, it will come in one of these cells to confirm later. Third row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then third grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6, it will come in one of these cells to confirm later. Ninth grid, we have 5 and 6, so 5 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Fifth row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 6th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6, it will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column J, 9th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. The 9th grid, column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 4, it will come in one of these cells, will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, we have pair numbers 1, 3, 9. So 1, 3, 9 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 3 cells. Column F, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in one of these cells, to confirm later. Second row, third row, we have 2. Column F also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column B, third row and fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, 5 is confirmed here. Column B, 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, 9 will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 9. Third row and second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row and column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then the 5 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, 3 will come here one of these cells, confirm later. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column F, second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 1. Column C also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, confirm later. 10th row and 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Column B, third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Second row, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. First grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7, it will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7, it will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. The 9th grid, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 3 and 8 will confirm later. Then 7th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 3rd row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4th grid, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th grid, column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.